Hello and welcome to the fourth tutorial in Series 6 on drawing seated figures. In this lesson we will be studying the burial of Christ. Most people will be familiar with this icon from the epitafios, the cloth that bears the icon of the epitafios thrinos, or lamentation at the grave of Christ. Epitafios literally means on the grave, and it depicts the body of Christ that has been taken down from the cross lying supine in preparation for burial. This image, of course, is also found in murals in churches after the scenes of the crucifixion and taken down from the cross. We can see how the figure is projected off the surface using vertical or relational perspective, because although the body is lying flat, it looks as if it's turned towards the viewer, as the part of the body that furthest from the viewer is raised above that which is in the foreground, so we can see the whole body. Here we'll draw the line for the shoulders, which will be at an angle so as to project the figure off the surface. Now the outline for the upper body is going to follow the S curve, then we draw the shape of the waistline, which in this case is the outside view of the foot. So now I'm going to start drawing in the loincloth. And as you can see, I'm curving the garment around the form of the legs to create volume and plasticity.